Hello students, how are you? Today is Monday. How is your online class going? Did you have your breakfast? Today I am going to handle 6th standard second term history. First lesson, that is first unit, page number 97. Students, did you get your books? Did you buy your books? If you didn't buy, still try to pay the second term fees and get your books soon. Then only it will be helpful in your online class. Okay, we can go to the lesson. Unit 1, Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. Here culture meaning, see here, culture meaning civilization. Culture meaning civilization. You can write the meaning, then only you will be able to understand the concept. Culture meaning civilization. Culture meaning civilization. Here Vedic culture in North India and megalithic culture in South India. Unit 1. Here you have learning objectives. To know the origin and migration of Aryans in India. To know the origin and migrations of Aryans in India. Origin means beginning. Origin means beginning, and migration means movement of person from one place to another. Write the meaning. Origin, beginning, beginning, beginning. Migration means movement of person from one place to another. Migration. Here, to know the origin and migration of Aryans into India. Aryans came into India. Then, to identify the sources of study relating to the Vedic age. To identify the sources of study relating to the Vedic age. Identify means to make out. See the meaning here. Identify means to make out. Sources means specify the origin. Sources means specify the origin. Write the meaning. Identify means to make out. Identify means to make out. Sources means specify the origin. To identify the sources of study relating to the Vedic age. To understand the evolution of political, economic and the religious structures in Rigvedic and later Vedic societies. To understand the evolution. Evolution means development. Evolution means development. Political means relating to government. Political means relating to government. Economic means the system of production, distribution and consumption. You also have the Tamil meaning here. Write the Tamil meaning. Economic means the system of production, distributions and consumptions. You write the Tamil meaning also. Then the learning objective. To understand the evolution of political, economic and religious structures in Rigvedic and later Vedic societies. To understand means to know. Then to locate the regions inhabited by both early and later Vedic people. To locate the regions. Regions means place inhabited by both early and later Vedic people. Inhabited means to live. Inhabited means to live. See, I'll show you the meaning here. Inhabited means to live. Inhabited means lived or live in. Regions means place. Inhabited means live in or lived. Lived or inhabited means live in or lived. See here. To locate the regions inhabited by both early and later Vedic people. The place where they lived. To make the difference between early and later Vedic periods. I think you know the meaning for difference. Changes. To understand the megalithic, otherwise Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. To understand, to know. To know the megalithic or Iron Age culture in Tamil Nadu. Just now we have seen the objectives. Now Vedic age. The first phase of urbanization in India came to the end with the decline of Indus civilization. I think you have studied Indus Valley civilization in first term. The first phase of urbanization. Urbanization is relating to the town. Urbanization means relating to the town. Urban means city. City life ended. City life ended with the decline of Indus civilization. Decline means fall off. Decline means fall off. Here the meaning here for decline, F-A-L-L, fall off. Decline means fall off. This with the fall of Indus civilization, the first phase of urbanization of India came to the end with the decline of Indus civilization. City life came to an end with the fall of Indus civilization. Then a new era called Vedic age began with the arrival of Aryans. Aryans came to India, then the Vedic age started. The Vedic period is ages between 1500 BC to 600 BC. It gets its name from 4 Vedas. The name Vedic age is from 4 Vedas. Who were the Aryans? The Aryans were Indo-Aryan language speaking, semi-nomadic pastoralists. Here, a pastoralist means shepherd, one who looks after sheep or cattle. See here, pastoralist meaning those who look after sheep or cattle. Shepherd, pastoralist means shepherd. Write the meaning. Those who look after sheep or cattle, pastoralist, shepherd. Here nomads means people won't stay in one place. Here you have nomad. People won't stay in one place. Here you have the meaning. Here you have the word nomadic. Here you have the word nomadic. It is the nomadic means people won't stay in one place. They go from one place to another place. They are known as nomads. They came from Central Asia. They came from Central Asia in several waves of migration through Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush Mountains. They came from Central Asia in several waves of migration through Khyber Pass of Hindu Kush Mountain. Through Khyber Pass, they came into India. Though cattle rearing was their main occupation, they also practiced slash and burn agriculture. Cattle rearing means looking after sheep. Now, slash and burn agriculture means you have the meaning here. It is a farming method that involves clearing the land by cutting and burning at the trees and plants on it. Here, for farming, they go and clear the land by cutting the trees and they burn the trees. Then civilization is done there for a short time. They and then abandoned. People then move to new place of land for cultivation. After doing their cultivation, they move from that place to another new place where they can again do cultivation. Thank you, students. Now you have to read this objectives and you have to read this Vedic age, then slash and burn agriculture, write it and submit it as homework. Vedic age, you have to write down, and also slash and burn agriculture. You write it once and submit as homework. Rest we can see tomorrow. Thank you, students.